Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about why biochemistry is important. Biochemistry is the science that studies chemical processes inside living things. It connects biology and chemistry and to help us understand how life works. This branch of science explains many things like how our bodies function and how we stay healthy.
Biochemistry in health and medicine. Biochemistry plays a big role in the field of health. It helps doctors understand diseases by looking at changes in the body's chemicals. Thanks to biochemistry, we now have vaccines, effective medicines, and lab tests. For example, when we get a blood test to check for sugar or cholesterol, that's biochemistry in action.
Biochemistry in agricultural and food. In agriculture and food, biochemistry is also very important. It helps farmers grow healthier crops and protect them from pests. In food science, it helps improve nutrition, keep food safe, and make it last longer. Even the process of digestion and how our bodies use food is explained by biochemistry.
Biochemistry and the environment. Biochemistry is also used to protect the environment. It helps scientists understand the pollution and how harmful substances affect nature. Biochemical methods are used to clean dirty water and create products that are safe for the planet. It helps us take care of the nature and reduce damage to the earth. Thank you.
To sum it all up, biochemistry is a part of our everyday life. It helps in medicine, farming, food, and even saving the environment. By learning biochemistry, we understand life better and make smarter choices for our health and for the nature.